A very happy morning to my dear children. So here we are with class 6, our subject science and our chapter number 6, that is changes around us. And our today's topic, how to make changes take place. So children, how to make changes take place? We have studied many examples of changes, right? We have studied reversible change, we have studied irreversible change, physical change, chemical change, but how to bring these changes? So there are many ways. That is by heating, cooling, applying pressure and mixing. Okay, so let's study them in detail one by one. So the first one is changes caused by heating or cooling. तो सबसे सिंपल चेंज है, अगर हम कोई चीज हीट करते हैं तो क्या होता है? वो चीज गर्म हो जाती है, the substance become hot. So this is a physical change. Now, if we cool something, it becomes cold, right? So this is again a physical change. So children, when we heat an object, it is affected in one or the other way. Heat affects various things in the following ways. So let's see them. So the effects of heat are, what are the effects of heat? Just now I told you. So here are they. On heating. Ice on heating we get water, which is liquid state. Then again water on heating we get steam, that is gaseous state. And again, if see the steams are coming out, right? The steams are coming out. Now if I put a plate here, okay, if I put a plate here, what will happen? Condensation will happen, and in condensation, steam gets converted into water again. This is how states of matter changes on heating and cooling. Certain things begin to burn on heating, है ना? हमने देखा है, हम बर्थडेज पे क्या करते हैं? कैंडल्स जलाते हैं. So we all know that candle is burning, right? So certain thing burns on heating. When a combustible substance, for example, candle, paper, coal, and kerosene is heated, it starts burning. Okay? In the last class, we performed an activity, right? हमने paper जलाया था, we burned the paper. So what was that? That is the same example that certain things begin to burn on heating. When we burn paper, it changes into ash. We have done this, right? Pressure can cause many changes. The first is change in shape and size of an object. Yes, children. See, blow up a balloon. See, blow up a balloon and observe the change in shape and size of the balloon. So see, this balloon, it is इसमें हवा नहीं है. There is no air in the balloon. And now see this one. Yes, it is having air inside it. Now see the difference in shape and size. So why this difference is there? Because of air pressure. When we are blowing, what is happening? Air is going inside, and because of that air pressure, the shape and sizes change. The balloon deflates and the shape and size changes again. Similarly, when we press fluffy solids, their shape changes. See, this is a fluffy solid. See, the shape is changing. These are effects of pressure. Now, breaking objects. When pressure is applied on brittle substances, they break into pieces, and it is an irreversible change. Yes, children. जब भी हम कोई brittle substance को थोड़ा सा भी pressure लगाते हैं, तो क्या होता है? It breaks. This is day-to-day thing which we are doing है. Biscuits को हम ऐसे break करके खाते हैं. Then comes changes caused by mixing. Many changes occur due to mixing of substances. For example, take a glass of water, mix salt in it, and you are having salt solution. So what is this? This is the effect of mixing. Then, when quicklime is mixed, with water, it is converted into slaked lime. It is an irreversible change and it is a chemical change, children. क्या आपको देखना है ये कैसे होता है? So come on, let's see.
When quicklime is mixed with water, it is converted into slaked lime. And see, a hissing sound is coming and the container becomes hot. So this is a chemical change.